everybody. How do you do?
Why do they scream?
I don't know. I couldn't tell you.
Hello, my name's Paul McCartney. This is Ringo Starr.
This is John Lennon.
I'm George Harrison.
The Beatles. In one meteoric year, they've led the way from the cellars of Liverpool to the national limelight.
What about the reports that you guys are nothing but a bunch of British Elvis Presley?
It's not true.
Help, I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need somebody.
This mania was so much pressure.
Help me if you can.
There's no switching off. You're on 24 hours a day.
I always like singing Help because I meant it. It's real.
Won't you please help me, help me.
We were kids. We were all pretty scared.
It was just a circus. The music wasn't being heard.
We all started to get pretty fed up.
Can't go on forever as four clean little mop tops saying she loves you.
We were looking for somewhere new to go.
I read the news today, oh boy.
We were normal and the rest of the world was crazy.
About a lucky man.
It was evolving. It was changing, and we changed with it.
And though the news was rather sad,
The Beatles was this unit. You know, we looked after each other, really. So it was like the strength of a union.
We had each other, and we brought that to the music.
Top British group, top records of the year, the Beatles!
It's some little magic chemistry that happened between us that seems to appeal to each generation as it comes up.
Which one are you?
Eric.
Eric, here is the American public.
I'm John.
You're John.
It's only a joke.